In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut or delete audio in Adobe Express. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have some audio. So I'm assuming you already have audio if you're watching this video, but if you don't, you can watch my other tutorial on how to add audio, of course, onto your creation over here, onto your design. So when you have it, you want to go to Edit Timeline, bottom left, and it's going to open your timeline together with your layers and your audio at the bottom. Now, with just some sample audio with me speaking over here, nothing special, but if you want to cut it, it's super simple. You want to find, of course, where you want to cut it, and then you want to go and click on this button up top, and it's going to make a cut wherever you actually have it. Now, I messed up. You have to actually select your audio like this to be able to make the cut. Otherwise, it's going to cut these things up top, okay? Now, you also have the option whenever you right click to click on the split button, which is going to cut as well, or to press the S button on your keyboard, of course, wherever you currently are, and it's going to split your audio like this. And then if you want to actually delete your audio, you can simply go and select the entire thing over here. So we can just, of course, if you have like one simple audio, you can just click on it and press the delete button on your keyboard, or you could go and right click and of course hit this delete button over here, which is also going to delete your audio. So that's how to do these things, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.